Pepe coin is down nearly another 10%. Is this your time to sell all your Pepe? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a deep dive on Pepe coin. As interesting things are happening in the marketplace, is Pepe going on a downward cycle? That's exactly what we're taking a look at. First things first, to start off, we can see overall crypto market down approximately 2% on the day, which is again, not terrible. There's going to be fluctuations. We talked about this in the last sell all your Bitcoin video, that this was inevitable, a correction was going to take place. But right now we're taking a look overall market, looking a little bit in the red. We can see in the fear and greed index, we're currently at a 55. When we actually look at Pepe, we are seeing we're down 9% on the day, and the week we're down whopping 11%. However, I think there's some opportunities that we could get here that might actually make us a bag. But taking a look at the overall crypto market, guys, which is so important before making any decisions, you got to see what's going on in the market. We can see overall there's red, but it's actual prospect of green. We can start, the green candle's already starting up slowly. It is getting pretty late right now, and usually this is the time the volume picks up. But $65,000 Bitcoin, 3.4K ETH, $600 BNB, and SOL at 143. All these tokens, but in the red for the week. Solana taking the deepest hit, which again, with this whole meme coin mania, whole Andrew Tate stuff going on, that was anticipated. Now, before we fully go into the Pepe coin deep dive, guys, I do want to highlight an opportunity. Yes, it's a red day, but when should you buy coins? Great time to buy coins is in pre-sale. And right now, the pre-sale gem that we're on top of and the community is absolutely loving is Play Doge. This is a pre-sale gem that already raised $4.6 million. You heard that right, $4.6 million in the span of 2 weeks. There's a lot of belief here. It's a play to earn game. So Play Doge is the best play to earn Doge companion game. It's an ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while you play your nostalgic 2D game. So it's a play to earn game. Dog theme has a unique utility, having a Tamagotchi style play to earn, and this cherry on top has staking. Currently paying 159% AP. It's dynamic range, meaning the percentage could go up, it could go down. I see it as a high as 800%. Super solid project, guys. We do deep dives on this all the time. Our community is absolutely loving it. So if you want to load up, link in the description below. But let's go back to Pepe coin as interesting things are going on in the market. And first of all, just look at the chart. Let's go. So we see the 1 week is down 11%. But when in doubt, zoom out. We see when we look at the month, we're up a whopping 600%. There's almost a reverse basing going on. And we look at the 1 year, guys, there's so much gains we made. You know, Pepe was literally all-time high territories just a couple weeks back. And we're anticipating this was dumping was going to take place. As you can see, you know, look in the history earlier this year, pumping, pulled back. This is kind of like what we saw here. Then it kind of pumped again, spiked a bit, which we saw here over here. And it's down again, which we saw over here. And again, remember, if history repeats itself, the pattern's going to go back upwards in this direction, bringing us up in this range over here, eliminating some of the zeros. Okay, again, Pepe coin has been a fan favorite meme coin, the most memorable meme coin in existence. The dogs have had their day. It's time for the Pepe to take the reign, and that has been nothing but true. Because even when we go to CoinMarketCap, right, we go to the meme coins, we go to top coins in the meme coin section. Pepe is at number 3, which potentially this meme coin run, this bull run, I should say, could flip Shiba Inu, and that would be absolutely insane. Almost a million followers on X, 658,000 followers, and they're just obviously posting memes, engaging with the community. Jet life to the next Pepe, just Pepe memes. We can see this one was taken over Coinbase when they added the perpendicular trading, which is insane. And we look at the technical report, guys. We can see technicals are in the summaries for sell for sure, as also are neutral, moving average on sell, overall summary for sell. When we look on the 1 week, guys, we see a bit more optimistic, a bit more bullish. Moving averages is a strong buy, oscillators and buy, giving us an overall total of buy. Again, very, very bullish. Even the news headlines, June meme wipes out sale. It is, and really and truly, guys, it is a wipeout sale. That's a great way to look at it, is when we do have these red days, when the market is down, these are our opportunities to get in at these super low prices. Remember, you don't make your money when you sell, you make your money when you buy. So when you have these tactical buy-ins, you buy on the red days, the red weeks, and then when we see the pumps, we take profits, right? And then when it goes red again, we re-enter. That's the best way to play and win this game. And that's exactly what we're seeing in the market right now, as people are saying, it's a wipeout sale, might be a great time to buy. Ripple could have a bullish week as ETF swaps and Pepe coin have had their prospects. And again, the ETF for the ETH ETF going live as well. Again, people are still very bullish on Pepe and overall the meme coin market. So again, needless to say, I'm very bullish on Pepe long term. Should you sell all your Pepe? Absolutely not. This might actually be an optimal time to buy. But remember, none of this is financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That was the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.